Creating a chatbot using CHAT-GPT involves integrating the OpenAI API, which allows you to interact with the model and get responses. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a simple chatbot using ChatGPT. 1. Sign up and get API access. Visit the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. Ensure you have access to the GPT-3 API. 2. Install the required libraries. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You'll need the OpenAI library to interact with the GPT-3 API. Install it using pip. Pip install OpenAI. 3. Import the required libraries. In your Python script or environment, import the OpenAI library. Python code. Import OpenAI. 4. Set up your API key. Set your API key, which you can find in your OpenAI account dashboard or as an environment variable. Python code. API_key equals your _API_key. OpenAI.API_key equals API_key. 5. Prompt the user for input. Create a function that prompts the user for input. Python code. Def get_user_input. Return input, u. 6. Send the user input to the model and get a response. Use the OpenAI completion create method to send the user input to the ChatGPT model and get a response. Python code. Def get_chatbot_response, user_input, chat_history equals. Response equals OpenAI. Completion, create. Engine equals, text DaVinci 002, # use the appropriate engine ID for ChatGPT. Prompt equals chat_history plus user_input. Temperature equals 0.7, # controls the randomness of the response. Lower values make the output more focused, higher values make it more random. Max_tokens equals 150, # controls the maximum length of the response. Return response, choices, 0, text, strip. 7. Run the chat loop. Create a loop to keep the conversation going until the user decides to exit. Python code. Def main. Chat_history equals. Print, chatbot, hello. I'm your chatbot. Type, exit, to end the conversation. While true. User_input equals get_user_input. If user_input, lower, equals, exit. Break. Response equals get_chatbot_response, user_input, chat_history. Print, chatbot, response. Chat_history, append, user_input. Chat_history, append, response. If __name _equals, main. 8. Run the chatbot. Save the script and run it using Python. The chatbot will prompt the user for input and provide responses using the ChatGPT model. Keep in mind that this is a simple example, and you can enhance and customize the chatbot by refining the conversation history, adjusting the response temperature, or providing more complex instructions to the model. Also, be cautious about using the API responsibly and complying with the OpenAI usage policies.